Go ahead.
We
See
need
them,
the
see
game.
them.
Boss lady. This one with your face be like this. Who offend you now?
I'm a guy, no joy, no joy.
Where the joy dey now? What happen?
Just imagine, the chicken I was keeping to use on Christmas Day, the chicken just died today.
Today of all day. Auntie is called for market now. Sorry.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.